Top 10 best foods you should eat to shed those extra pounds. You might be eating some of these foods, but I guarantee two things. 1. You are not eating all of them, and 2. You are missing the combinations. After this video, you'll know what to consume, how, and why. We are not just listing foods, we'll explore how they work and back it up with scientific studies. Let's get into food number 1. Chia seeds. These bad boys are packed with fiber, specifically soluble fiber. When you eat chia seeds, they absorb water and expand in your stomach, forming a gel-like substance that helps you feel full longer. This process slows the absorption of food and reduces overall calorie intake. What's more, 1 ounce serving of chia seeds, which is estimated at 28.35 grams, has 0 grams of sugar, making it a very healthy option. A randomized controlled trial published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who included chia seeds in their diet experienced significant weight loss and a reduction in waist circumference. Also, a systematic review published in the Journal of Medical and Health Sciences in 2023 concluded that chia seeds in conjunction with a low-calorie diet led to significant weight loss. Amazing, right? They're perfect for adding to smoothies, salads, oatmeal, salad dressing, yogurt, baked bread, or even water. However, here is a caveat. Make sure chia seeds have fully expanded before consuming them. Do not eat chia seeds dry, especially if you have difficulty swallowing. This is primarily because chia seeds absorb many times their weight in water. Dry seeds may expand in the esophagus and cause a blockage. Moreover, for maximum benefit, chia seeds should be consumed alongside a hypocaloric diet. It has minimal weight loss effects when combined with a normal diet. Food number 2, grass-fed beef. Many studies have shown that the nutrients in beef can vary depending on what cows eat. The statement, "You are what you eat," also applies to cows. It might get you by surprise to know some cows are given growth hormones and antibiotics to maximize growth. Grass-fed beef contains much less monounsaturated fat than grain-fed cows. Also, grass-fed beef contains up to 5 times as much omega-3. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is linked to weight gain. Moreover, grass-fed beef contains about twice as much conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. CLA has been shown to promote fat loss and improve body composition. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition revealed that participants who consumed grass-fed meat had better weight management outcomes compared to those eating conventional meat. Plus, it's absolutely delicious grilled or in a hearty stew. Food number 3, avocados. In our list of best foods for weight loss, we cannot leave the mite avocado out. It is a master of the ring. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and fantastic for weight loss. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which helps reduce appetite and promote fat loss. Avocados also contain fiber, which adds to their satiating effects. A study in the Nutrition Journal found that people who included half an avocado in their lunch felt fuller for longer and had less desire to eat over the next few hours. In another study, researchers found that people who regularly ate avocados were up to 9% less likely to develop overweight or obesity over a period of 4 to 11 years compared with those who did not regularly consume avocados. It is about time you changed your mindset concerning avocados. If you're adding these bad boys to your toast, or salads, or even blending them into a smoothie for a creamy texture, you're already crushing it. Our next best food for weight loss is a no-brainer. Food number 4, beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are packed with protein and fiber, both of which are essential for weight loss. The fiber, specifically soluble fiber, slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full, while the protein helps build muscle and burns more calories at rest. A systematic review of randomized controlled trials published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that incorporating beans and lentils into your diet can significantly reduce body weight and improve metabolic health. Heads up, there is a pretty good reason why the United Nations and the Food and Agriculture Organization designated 2016 as the International Year of Pulses. They're also incredibly versatile and delicious. Think soups, stews, salads, and more. Food number 5, high-quality eggs. We were brought up knowing that eggs are bad for our cholesterol levels. Thank God, we are now past that low-fat movement and research paints a completely different picture. Now, they have to be part of our best health foods list. High-quality eggs are loaded with protein and healthy fats, which keep you feeling full and satisfied. Eggs are incredibly nutrient-dense and filling, mainly because of their high protein content. Studies have widely shown that high-protein foods reduce appetite and increase fullness compared with foods that contain less protein. Feeling full means reduced food intake during later meals. Also, eggs rank high on the satiety index scale. This scale evaluates how well foods help you feel full and reduce calorie intake later in the day. A study in the International Journal of Obesity found that participants who ate eggs for breakfast lost more weight and had a greater reduction in waist circumference than those who ate a bagel with the same calorie content. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or as an omelet with your favorite veggies. Food number 6. Fish. Our next food on the best weight loss food is fish, like salmon and sardines, for good reason. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. Omega-3s also play a role in increasing the levels of a hormone called adiponectin, which enhances your body's ability to burn fat. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that people who included fatty fish in their diet experienced greater weight loss than those who didn't. Perfect for grilling, baking, or adding to salads. Food number 7. Nuts and seeds. These ninjas are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them perfect for snacking. The combination of these nutrients helps control hunger and reduce overall calorie intake. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate nuts regularly were more likely to maintain a healthy weight compared to those who didn't. Just remember to watch your portions because a little goes a long way. Try almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds for a nutritious boost. The next best food for weight loss is nothing short of a game changer. Food number 8. Greek yogurt. It is packed with protein and probiotics, which can improve gut health and aid in weight loss. The high protein content keeps you full and helps build lean muscle mass, while probiotics support a healthy digestive system. Greek yogurt is a great portable protein and it can also help you quell hunger. Greek yogurt may also help fight belly fat, according to a recent study presented at the Annual Society for Endocrinology conference. Researchers found that when protein is digested and broken down, one of the resulting amino acids, phenylalanine, triggers hormones that help reduce appetite, which can lead to weight loss. Research in the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate yogurt regularly lost more weight and had a greater reduction in waist size than those who didn't. You can have it plain, or add some fresh fruit, or even add a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Food number 9. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins. Antioxidants are your body's little warriors to help keep the body in fighting shape. Catechins can boost your metabolism and help burn fat. Specifically, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is a potent antioxidant in green tea that aids in fat burning, especially during exercise. One of green tea's compounds is caffeine. A cup of green tea holds between 24 and 40 milligrams of caffeine per cup. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant that has been found to aid fat burning and improve exercise performance in numerous studies. If you dare to look at the labels of most commercial weight loss and supplements, you will likely see green tea listed as an ingredient. This is because green tea extract has been repeatedly linked to increased fat burning, especially during exercise. In one study, men who took green tea extract before exercise burned 17% more fat than men who didn't take the supplement. The study suggests that green tea can boost the fat-burning effects of exercise. An 8-week study determined that tea catechins increased fat burning, both during exercise and rest. Several other studies confirm these findings, indicating that EGCG boosts the burning of fat, which may lead to reduced body fat in the long term. Sip on it hot or iced for a refreshing drink. Crap for yourself. You've made it to the final best weight loss food. Food number 10. Berries. Berries are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. The fiber content, particularly soluble fiber, slows down digestion and keeps you full, while the antioxidants help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. A study in the journal Appetite found that people who ate a berry-rich snack felt fuller and ate less at their next meal compared to those who ate a calorie-matched, non-berry snack. Berries are perfect for topping your yogurt, blending into smoothies, or enjoying as a snack. And there you have it, the top 10 foods for weight loss, backed by science. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. This goes a long way in helping videos from the channel reach more people on YouTube. If you've got a breakthrough about these foods you'd want to share with us, feel free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching.